Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on this 2020 Hyundai Palisade. It's going to apply from 2020 all the way to 2025. Let's get to it. Alright, parts and tools needed. There's just the cabin air filter. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and open up the glove box. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and release this mechanism here. And then you have two little screws here. We're just going to go ahead and turn them to the left. And that should allow the box to drop down. Okay, and then the actual cover is right here. So it looks like there's a little flap or like a tab or something that we just got to pinch in some sort of way. Oh, here we are. So pinch these. So we're going to pinch this tab and it pulls out. And then there's a locking tab that goes into that side. So now we should be able to go ahead and pull out the filter. So you can see it needs to be replaced. And we're looking at the airflow here, so it's pointing up. So we're going to go ahead and match that with the replacement filter. Okay, so it has the airflow right here pointing up. I'm just going to go ahead and go in there. And we'll slide it all the way in. Then we're going to go ahead and get our tab here. Let's go ahead and get that stuff out. I'm going to go ahead and put the tab in first and then click it in place. So it's going to be right here. I'm going to go ahead and stick the portion in there if it locks in place. You should hear it click. And now we're going to go ahead and take our clip here. You'll hear it click once you lock it in place. We'll go ahead and put our stuff back in there. Oh, don't forget to put this back into place. Clip it. That's it. We're done. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you how to change the cabin air filter on this 2020 Hyundai Palisade. It's going to apply from 2020 all the way to 2025. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.